I've been wearing this perfume lately. It's called Clinique Happy. It's okay. It's alright. It kind of smells like oranges just a little bit, which I thought I would like, but I kind of don't, because you ever like eat an orange and then you smell like an orange for like at least the next 2 hours, and sometimes you don't want to smell like an orange, and there's always some dude who sits next to you in class and it's right after lunch and he smells like oranges and you're just like, oh, I don't want to smell oranges right now. So this perfume kind of smells like that, but I wear it regardless because I paid for it and it was expensive. I'm trying to finish it. It's not bad. It's really not bad, but it isn't as good as this one that I use. It's called Dynasty by Marina de Bourbon, and I think it's French. It's really nice. I would say this is my signature scent. For the rest of the day, I'm planning on filming a shopping with me video. I'm just gonna look at some clothes. I'm not gonna really buy anything, I think. I'm gonna show some of my favorite stores, so that'll be coming out on Saturday. And on a rather exciting note, this Wednesday video is going to be the last Wednesday video for a while that is not going to be a makeup and mythology video. So basically every Wednesday after this one is going to be a makeup and mythology video, which, you know, I'm excited about because that means less brain power when it comes to thinking about video ideas. I basically already came up with all the videos that I want to do for the rest of the year, and it was a lot of effort. Coming up with the video ideas is really hard, because after a while you kind of like do everything that you originally had in mind when you started your YouTube channel, so you just kind of have to like think of new ideas, and it's not always easy, but it'll be nice to know exactly what I'm posting for every single Wednesday for the rest of the year, and hopefully for years beyond that as well. So yeah, lots of mythology research to do, but I'm excited about it. Yeah, I love the series. Recently I've seen some other YouTubers do makeup and mythology as well and call their series makeup and mythology, and you know, while I kind of wish that they credited me, I'm such a small channel, so I don't want to assume that like people just like stole my idea. Like obviously people come up with the same ideas all the time without having to steal, so there's a good chance that like the other YouTubers who are doing this didn't even know that I was doing this, because you know, once again, my channel's really small, so they might have just missed it, but it's also kind of like especially because like they're bigger than me, but whatever, it's whatever. I'll just keep doing my thing and hopefully, you know, you'll keep watching. Should I do blue eyeshadow today? I don't think it matches my snakeskin top. Okay, I realized that I probably should have shown my skincare routine or something. I'm not wearing sunscreen today because I'm staying inside, but other than that, I usually wear sunscreen when I'm planning on going outside. My sister says that I should wear sunscreen even if I'm staying inside because the UV light from the window still like comes in. But I'm just like, whatever, man. Like if I'm staying inside all day, like I feel like it's not really necessary, but I should probably do it. I'm just cheap. I don't want to waste sunscreen. I don't want to use sunscreen if I'm not going outside, but I should probably. It's just one of those things that you feel like you should do, but don't. Like, wear your retainer. I don't have a retainer, so. Even though I've been wearing a mouth guard for the past, like, 3 weeks. It's my first time wearing anything to sleep, actually. And it's been okay. It took a little getting used to, because I grind my teeth. I've grinded my teeth. I've grinded my teeth ever since I was young, and I never really did anything about it until now, so I feel like my teeth are a little bit fucked up, but hopefully it's not too late. Hopefully wearing a mouth guard will actually save me a lot of dental visits in the future. Oh, you know what I kind of want to do? I kind of want to do a smoky eye today. That'll be fun. Kind of feel like I'm in the mood to look a little scary today, and that is already very intense. You never know if you're gonna get a good smoky eye. Sometimes it's a bad makeup day. Hopefully it's not today. So when doing black eyeshadow, it's pretty important to stay pretty tight to your eyelid. Otherwise it just looks a little gray if you blend it out too prematurely. I am getting a little messier. But you know, I'm not afraid to get messy with my makeup because you can always clean it up. Of course it is nice to just go in and get it right on the first try, but that's not always the case. Perfect. Now we're looking like a raccoon. Love that for me. Just gonna clean up just a little bit. Take off some of that excess around the edges. So the reason I wanted to do a smoky eye today was because I got this beautiful dark purple shade that I really want to use. Oh, there's lots of fallout on my nose happening. Okay, I think it's good now. I think I didn't really expect to, you know, be so intense today, but I guess I'm committing to the intensity. I should put on some brow gel so my brows don't move. I think I should be fine. Whenever I do heavy makeup looks like this, I try to avoid looking at my parents so that they don't see my face. Because usually they don't like it. Not usually, always. They never like it. What blush color? Maybe brown? I'm gonna use this Blush Balm from Merit. And yeah, that's nice. That's a nice pop of color. I usually like to use a really liberal amount just because this is kind of bare, just a little. Once you blend it out, it looks really natural. I like to put it all over my nose, all over my cheeks. Don't just keep blush here. I like to W. Really accentuates the high cheekbones. And yeah, there you go. That's blush. Looks super natural. Almost doesn't even look like I have anything on. I think if 15-year-old me saw me doing eyeliner, she would be super impressed. I think if 15-year-old me saw a lot of the things that I am currently doing, I think she'd be impressed with me. It's crazy how day by day nothing really seems to change, but when we look back, everything is different. The eyeshadow is just a teensy bit patchy. When I do a smoky eye, I like to do something a little more natural for the lips. So I'm going to take this nude color, this My Lips But Better, pinky nude color, kind of matches the blush. Usually when I do an intense eye look like this, I like to pair it with some intense false lashes. You know, since the lips are so subtle, we gotta go all out with the eyes. That's what I feel like. Oh, can't even see the whites of my eyes that well anymore. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. And this one just mainly holds your makeup in place. And then this one, I find that it has a really nice melting effect. Melts everything into your skin, not melts everything like off. That would be bad. So yeah, the makeup look is done. It's not daytime appropriate at all. You know, sometimes you just want to wear a smoky eye, and that should be fine. That should be okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me, they'll scream and talk about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind.